A nice smile is a bonus, but I'd really like to make her happy. I hope she's happy with him. As what I think doesn't really matter. But if she's happy, I'm happy. My name is Michael. I'm a cook, but I'm also an out-of-work welder, really. And although I do make things in both professions, I prefer welding. My wife wanted me to get this work done. She passed away in December of 2024. And she wanted me to get this work done, so I wanted to make her happy, so that's why I'm doing it, make her happy.
He's going to come back in to get the next step of his surgeries done. And basically what that is going to entail is getting some scans made. We have a digital lab that is able to fabricate what we call bridges. Now, bridges are going to be something that we're going to be able to load onto those implants and be able to create something solid for him so that he can bite, chew, smile properly, and make sure that he can have something that's going to have a good bite for him.
Everything's perfect so far. So if they do everything they say they could do and everything works out, I'll be extremely happy. My wife will be happy. I would have paid double.
I'm happy. My wife would have been really happy.
Yeah.
She would have been happy. Probably would have started crying just like me.
It was great.
I'm just gonna take a lot of getting used to. I shouldn't have bought them. I'm telling you, I shouldn't have bought them. I shouldn't have bought them. I don't deserve that.
It's a great investment. You know how happy she is?
Yeah.
Yes. It looks good. It looks so good. Give me a big smile. You deserve it.
The biggest difference probably be, I think people like seeing it more. You know, I could talk. See, I forget that I got them in, so I just start talking. But even before I got them done, I mean, I would talk, but I wouldn't show my teeth. But now I show my teeth a little more. I do smile more, but I always wanted to smile, but I just never showed my teeth. Now I'm showing more teeth. I don't know why. I don't know why it's important to show teeth, but maybe if you smile, other people will smile back.